Struggling to focus, these 7 habits will train your brain like lazy. Number 1. Mindfulness in the morning. 5 minutes of stillness clears mental clutter. Number 2. Plan 3 tasks of the day. If you don't guide your day, the distractions will. Number 3. Hydrate and fuel up. Water plus protein equal to brain power. Number 4. Use focus block. 25 minutes on, 5 minutes break. Number 5. Kill your notification. Your attention is currency. Don't waste it away. Number 6. Walk, stretch, get some sunlight. Your brain likes it. Nighttime, wind down. No screens, just a quality sleep. If you like this video, please make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you in the next video.